Hi guys, it's Anna and Eden here and baby Andrew, and welcome to our channel. If you're new and you like all things Disney, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. We'd love for you to be a part of our Disney family. Anyways, so today we at the Grand Floridian. We've stayed at this gorgeous resort once.
That's when we started our channel.
Yes, and that was back in April. So today we're here to check out the amazing Christmas decorations and of course the
gingerbread house.
Yes. So we're gonna take you guys along and we're gonna walk around. We're gonna see everything in the lobby, and we're so excited. Today's a little chilly. It's breezy. Can you see my hair blowing in the wind? But otherwise it's a really gorgeous day. All right guys, so we're gonna walk over and we'll show you what's there. All right guys, so we made it to the gingerbread house in the beautiful Grand Floridian lobby. It is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, Aiden is saying, I don't know how accurate this is, but he's saying that there should be 100 hidden Mickeys. I don't know, we might need to check if that's accurate. Alright. So beautiful. Yeah, why don't you walk around over there and kind of show the store.
Yeah, so you see the people inside? Yeah, there's people in there. It's really cool how they did it. It's like the front porch over here. Yeah, so if we walk around over here, I think it shows like I don't know, maybe I think the person that did it, and it also shows how they decorated and made it. So yeah, so there's a few plants over here. It's like a walkway, so this is like the exit. So over here is the ingredients, and so we're gonna read them to you.
So they used 1,050 pounds of honey, 140 pence of white eggs, 600 pounds of powdered sugar, 700 pounds of chocolate, 800 pounds of flour, 35 pounds of spices, and tons of creativity.
Wow, that's
magic
a lot.
and pixie dust. That's insane.
Wow, that's insane. Like crazy, right?
Yeah. So here's the beautiful Christmas tree right here in the lobby. It is absolutely stunning. The ornaments and the way it's decorated. It is just breathtaking. And it just goes on and on and on and on. So pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. Really should take some time and just look at all the ornaments and decorations. They're just so beautiful. Look at these bows, they're gorgeous. And then as soon as you enter the lobby from over here, you've got these beautiful trees. There's actually two of them. One is decorated with more pink and the other one's decorated with more blue. Oh my gosh, just stunning, stunning details. Absolutely gorgeous. And the other one is right over here. Oh my gosh, these are just heavenly. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. And then of course if you come right here, right in the middle, You see this beautiful lobby with this grand Christmas tree.
We went outside and there's some cool Christmas decorations. There's Christmas decorations hanging up, and over here there are cool reindeer they made out of white sticks. They probably painted the sticks, but it's really cool. And there's another one over here. A few other ones. It's like a family. I think this is mom, baby, dad.
Just look at these beautiful flowers. I don't know if they're real. I think they're real. Look how gorgeous they look. They have two of them by the bird cage over here, I think. So pretty. Yeah, they're real. Gorgeous. Coming around just to show you the view from this side because the chandelier was blocking the view a little bit, but here you go. Full beautiful view of the tree and the whole lobby. It's just gorgeous. It's not as busy as I thought it would be, but it's beautiful. So it looks like they have some new photo op here, which is so cute. Made our way to the other side of the second floor to show you the Grand Floridian, the gingerbread house from the top. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for us with this video at Grand Floridian, checking out the Christmas decor and the gingerbread house.
Yeah.
Everything is absolutely gorgeous.
We didn't get to go get something because the line was enormous. It was like out.
Yeah, and because we have our little guy and the stroller and that whole situation, he would just not be happy about waiting in line. He would be very happy to have the sweets, but not waiting in line. Anyway, so we're gonna cut the video here.
So comment down below, have you ever been in Grand Floridian or seen the Grand Floridian Gingerbread House and got something from there?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video.
Bye.
Bye guys, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.